Welcome to this tutorial to install Moodbit Copilot for meetings in Microsoft Teams. First, look for Moodbit in the Microsoft Teams app section. Press the button and add the channel or person where you want to install Moodbit. Make sure that the admin of your Microsoft Teams gives the permissions to use our app. Type Summarize by Moodbit Welcome and follow the steps to give permissions to Moodbit. Once you see the success message, you're ready to go. From now on, you can invite Moodbit to your meetings to take notes for you, typing Summarize by Moodbit Invite. Now you can get the most of your meeting as Moodbit is taking notes for you. Get your summary, keywords, and next steps at the end of your meeting. It's that easy. Just invite Moodbit to your calls and experience the difference yourself.